Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set all season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, heated seats, dark brown wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also includes smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Also includes the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display. Turn wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 44,614 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.